Hi guys, welcome in Chefika's kitchen. My name is Nestle and today I'm gonna show you how I make my German quilts cake. These are the ingredients for my cake. Some all-purpose flour, eggs, some sugar, baking powder, cocoa powder, some kind of oil, and warm water. What I'm gonna do now is take my eggs, put them in my mixing bowl along with my sugar and beat them for 10 minutes until they get really fluffy and white in color. This is how your eggs should look like. What I'm gonna do now is take my liquids, my warm water, important, not hot, warm, pour it in, mix it in on slow, and then I'm gonna pour my oil also in, let it very quick combine. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna put my baking powder and my cocoa powder to my flour and slightly mix it together. Now I'm gonna take my flour and sift it in. I like to sift my flour to prevent any clumps. I'm gonna use a big whisk to combine my flour and my eggs together to prevent that my eggs fall together. I did fold in all of my flour, and that's how it looks like. Here I have my 9 by 9 inch pan. I have greased it and put some parchment paper in to make it easy for me to take it out later on. Now I'm gonna take my mixture and pour it in. Now I'm gonna put my pan to side and we're gonna prepare our cream cheese topping. And these are the ingredients. What you will need is some soft cream cheese at room temperature. We have here powdered sugar, 1 small egg, and we have cornstarch. I'm gonna take now my cream cheese, put it in my bowl, just give it a quick stir. Now I'm gonna put my egg in, my sugar too, and also my cornstarch. After everything is good combined, I'm gonna take my cream cheese mixture and pour it in a piping bag. I did go ahead and cut the tip of my piping bag. Now we're gonna put our cream cheese filling like that on top. And this is how your cake should look like. Now I'm gonna put my cake in my preheated oven at 350 degrees for around 20 minutes. After that 20 minutes, I turn down my oven to 300 degrees and let it bake for another 15 minutes.
My quilts cake is now baked. I did go ahead and let it rest for around 15 minutes. And this is how it looks from the inside. And this is how I serve my quilts cake. I have to say, it is not a sweet cake. If you are a sweet person, then you can just add more sugar in it. I will put the exact measurements in the description box below.